I just want to point out really fast that so I cut my hair last time I moved out, which was was that last week? That was like 2 weeks ago. No, yeah, that was just about 2 weeks ago. I had blew it out and straightened it all the way to cut my ends, and now my ends are so blunt, but they're so healthy now. It looks so nice and it's so easy to blow out. So even if you're like, oh, don't cut my hair, I haven't cut my ends in 2 to 4 years because I just don't like seeing all my hair loss. But when I was growing it out, it wasn't looking good, so I was like, I'm trying to wear it straight, so I need to cut these ends, cut them. Just cut them. They look good afterwards. I promise you, I'm not lying. They look really good afterwards.
Hey, let's go back to the time when your nigga used to trip by the time we spent growing with your friend. It was all friendly on my end, even though I look forward to seeing you again. When am I seeing you again? Hey, when are we speaking again? Yeah, you look good with that ink on your skin. Hood, but you far from the streets you was in. Oh yeah, no, he don't like it. Call me up, he don't like it. This was the perfect timing.
Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm currently parting my own hair because my mother fell asleep yesterday and did not part my hair. And then today she woke me up. She's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna part your hair right now. It's been 3 hours. It's still not parted, and I'm trying to go to sleep on time. And I still have to finish editing 2 videos. So yeah.
If you say yes, I'll give thanks. If you say no,
okay, so my bathroom is a mess right now. I just want to say that. But my mom actually decided to finish parting my hair for me because I had to have a discussion with her. And I was like, lady, you told me you was gonna do my hair. You want me to do your hair, but you're not doing my hair. It's supposed to be a 50-50 thing, but it's giving very much 95-5. What are we doing?
I'll give thanks if you say no.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
Okay, so half my braids are done.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I your body.
Okay, so I'm officially done with the braids. Gonna give you all 360, and I'm gonna change the lighting because I'm watching a movie, and now that I'm doing the dreads, I don't really need to see that much, so I don't need all the light on. I'm gonna zoom in on it though, so you can see all the way. I wanna count how many braids I have really quick too.
As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important.
I think I'm gonna just like add braiding hair to my braids to make it longer, because like the doing it is working, but it also isn't working at the same time. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it looks good. The other one looks good. This one looks good. But like, I don't have enough hair to really wrap it around. So I think I'm gonna just braid it and then use one piece to wrap the hair around, because that's all I got. And before you be like, oh, why didn't you just go to the beauty supply store? It is literally Sunday, 7:35. Like, where am I going?
Rich boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Okay, so I did the braid and then added the hair, and it looks really good. And I'm just gonna compare it to the actual dread. This is the one with the actual dread, and they're literally like the same size.
Some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy selling crack, folk niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac. Took it to the top, got the damn top drop. 2-color flip flop and the red lollipop. But I still got my Glock cock. New money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big dot? Don't you see the big chain? Don't you see the big rims? Wonder who they hating on lately, baby. This hill. Candy paint, gated skin seats. Call me Dundee. Poke in your hood. I'm the one that you wanna be. Haters wish they could. Billy Wood in my 83. Ride with no tits, so the motherfucker know it's me. Rich boy, silly quick book. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, silly quick book. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
I never slip, I never fall. A lot of hoes give me their numbers, but I never call. A real OG, look at VIP and see a nigga ball. Then I know we hit the club, baby, I'ma hit them draws. Yeah, I'ma break you off. And that's all. Every freak should have a picture of my dick. On their walls. Hold over the shits on 4 be the click, yeah, just for my dog. Yeah, gangsters, hustlers, wanksters, busters.
Rich boy, silly quick book. Niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Okay, it is literally 4:07. I'm done with my hair. I'm going to sleep. I would show y'all the bathroom, but no. I'm gonna show y'all in the morning because I'm not gonna clean it right now. I'm just gonna go to sleep, and I'll shoot like a whole video so y'all can see a full 360. But it came out pretty good.
Silly quick book, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick. Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac.
Throw some D's on that bitch.
Just bought a Cadillac. Hit the block on some new $10,000 wheels. Can't explain how I feel. Put your gator on the wheel. Got peanut butter ice.
We in this bitch. This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on 2 crutches. Seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real, who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico Luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad, I started up a league.